You are all welcome to Tolulicious Kitchen. Happy to have you here with me today, lovelies. No more boring akara. Yes, no more boring akara. What I brought for you all today is what we call 5-star akara. Let us take our akara to the next level. This one aroma, my God, and the taste is what we call yummy. Don't let us talk much. Let us get started. So lovelies, that's the peeled beans I'll be using today. Now I'm going to pour it into a blender. Yes, after that I'm going to add some water for easy blending. Now add crayfish. After that I cover and blend until very smooth. Look at it. It is super well blended. It is very important to make sure that you blend your beans very well for perfect akara. So after that, it's time to mix. Mixing is very essential in making akara. You can use a spatula or you use an hand mixer. You can use a kitchen processor as well, doesn't matter, but it has to be well mixed until it becomes fluffy and creamy like this. Add salt and feel free to add seasoning to this, but I'm not going to use seasoning. I'm using just salt for this. It's time to taste for salt and adjust if necessary. So I'm going to add Habanero Pepper into it, atarodo, chopped atarodo, and chopped onions. That is what I'm adding into it now, and I'm going to mix this together, just combine them together. So get a pot and pour the vegetable oil you'll be using for frying into a pot and heat it up. So lovelies, those are the eggs we'll be using today. If you like, you can cut your eggs into two just like this, and if you like, you can just leave it whole like this without cutting it. It has to be small eggs. It is perfect. All right, it's time to get ready for frying. So to check your oil, you can use keyword to check this, but I prefer using onion. It is so simple. Once it starts frying like this, you know your vegetable oil is hot for frying. Now it's time to start frying. So scoop your beans batter, put one of the egg into the middle. You can just use your hand to push it down and get whatever. You can use a spoon as well to cover it just like this. Okay, so look at it, how I'm going to put it into the oil. Simple as ABC. Lovely. This is so simple. Once you scoop your batter, insert one of your eggs inside, half of it or a whole egg, doesn't matter. Just in the spoon you have, the big spoon, cover it up like that and put it in the oil. Simple as ABC. You can use an whole egg. You can use it depends on how you want it to be. So this is how we're going to fry everything. Look at it. Now fry until they become golden brown. So all you need to do is just flip over. We need to fry the other side until they become golden brown as well. So after that, you take them out of the oil, drain it, and you can just pour it on your kitchen towel, your kitchen paper. All right, that is it. Yes, lovely. That is how we're going to fry everything until we are through with them all. So we need to see how they look inside out. Are you guys ready? Do you want to rock this with bread, or you want to rock it with pap, with ogi, with agidi, eko? Let me show you how they look. Look at how yummy, perfect and delicious this akara looks. Don't forget to give me a thumb up if you like what you've just watched. Share and try that. I believe it. You're going to love it. You are going to love it. Look at it. Look at our 5-star Akara. Oh my God, lovely. You need to try this. I'm going to try this with you guys with my bread. Ah, yes, agege bread. I missed agege bread. Lovely. Wait for it. This is yummy. This is yummy. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. See you next time. Bye-bye.